On today's segment, I'll make an easy one-pot lentil rice. Soak 2 cups of basmati rice in cold water with 2 teaspoons of kosher salt for at least an hour, but preferably overnight. Cook the rice on medium-high heat in a Dutch oven or non-stick pot for about 10 minutes. Afterwards, drain, rinse with cold running water, and set aside to drain well. Rinse the lentils in cold water to remove some of the debris from the surface. Add 3 cups of water and lentil into the pot. Add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt or 2 teaspoons of table salt. After the water comes to a gentle simmer, lower the heat, cover the pot, and allow the lentils to cook for 15 minutes. At that point, the lentils will be tender but not soft. Drain the lentils and set aside. On low heat, add a tablespoon of butter into the pot and allow it to melt before assembling the rice. Alternate between the rice and lentils as demonstrated. Top the rice off with a few pieces of butter, or if you prefer, you can use extra virgin olive oil. This is where you can also add saffron or cinnamon for a nice aroma. Poke a few holes with the end of your spoon. Last but not least, cover the lid with a damp paper towel. Place the lid over the pot and allow the rice to cook for about 45 minutes on low heat. There you have it, and that's your easy one-pot meal that's nutritious and filling. Thank you again for watching, and if you like this segment, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.